a week in my life as a graduating student of GRSHS. So today we just finished our last practice for our graduation, and I still can't memorize this graduation song because it's a new song for me, you know. Although it's a very popular song. It's Minsan by Eraserhead. Karon. Hi guys. Bago lang nahuman ang I really actually, but then namin sa school karon because naman na among baccalaureate mass. How do you feel, Ken?
Nothing at all.
Really nga, 5 days na lang graduate na ta?
In that case, it's a bit sad. Exciting siya kay Muhawa na Miss RS finally.
Amazing!
Pero sad siya kay Lagyo kay Mintalanbay. So, diba, Manila, Los Baños, Cebu, Davao, some are in
everyone
other countries,
is everywhere.
Canada, Australia, some are in US already.
Hi Eve, how do you feel nga mo-graduate na ta?
Sorry. Di ba already mag-college? Sorry.
Asa ka mag-college?
The musics are here.
Nag-practice din ka mo lang ang grade 10. Wait
It's
na.
giving mo-graduate like yun.
Asa ka mag-college? Sa UP. Asa ka UP?
Sa Mindanao, sa Davao.
Okay. Eve, UP Min. Asa ka mag-college?
Hi guys, I'll be studying at University of Southeastern Philippines, taking up Bachelor in Science in Geology.
Carlene, how do you feel nga mag-graduate na ta?
Oh my God! Kawa na kayo ko!
Asa ka mag-college?
So happy. Dili pa ko sure. Utang MSU.
Okay.
Play.
Isha, how do you feel na mag-college na ta?
Okay na sa ako, pero di na ko siya makita. 5 days na tambay.
Lagi.
Ay no, 4 days na lang yun.
Okay.
Sa graduation. Hala, 2 days na lang. Ay, 3 days na lang. Kung kabalo, kinsa ka, I'm gonna miss you, bye. Thank you so much.
Isa, asa ka mag-college?
Sa Sabian!
Oh, wala ka lang, oh? Okay, amping mo. Goodbye.
Makita ninyo, mag-talks na ko. Lady talks na ko sa picture.
Amping! Sir Joji, how do you feel nga mag-graduate na me?
Busy pa kayo ko, I cannot.
Ay, sorry, Chair, sorry. Oh my gosh.
Ako, mag-con ko, computer science. Yeah.
Slay. Nay, mainit-init nga chika right now. Okay. Pero ito, interview siya na Jester. Jester, how do you feel nga mag-graduate na ta?
Relief, my God, mananagyot ta na. Lagi. And like, pero, I'm gonna miss you guys.
I'm gonna miss you. Asa ka mag-college?
XU.
Slay. Asa mo course?
Fun, comsci.
Okay, that's all slay. Daniela Noreen. Hey! I love you, Daniela Noreen. Anyway, sama kayo ang grade 10 nga practice, so I will just cut it right now. Teacher Joji is very busy with our graduate stuff. I love you, Teacher Joji. Daniela Noreen is
Para sa mga
balikan, sir.
Dinaon, tsagan yung future.
Our room, we are in the senior high school building.
Oh my gosh! What if bitaw? Ang ato ang... This is the life of a vlogger!
With the camera in my face. What if ang ato ang ihimong transition kay
Sa to sablay, like from your...
8 p.m. Igutom ko niya. Dapat by 8 p.m. Nanakaw ka. Niya mo siya tanin. And then pag abot di mo, naihugaw. Puti pero nalalilig siya. Naihugaw na rin.
Hala!
Ano siya? Wala siya gibuhat.
Oh, wala ka. Ako pa, wala.
Eh.
Kay second performance, yes, ako.
Dili ko naman karon. Baby, naman sa nito.
Sorry. Kay Ana, manggad na. Anong babe, nice ka. Ako may nagsuggest sa'yo ka, babe, nice kayo mo performance dito. Bahala ako ng audience. I suggest mo, balik ka kayo para makitaan nyo nila yung potential. Yeah.
And yung siya sa ako, sugdo niya siya contractor ng Tanaw daw na John.
Oo. Yeah, so anyways.
Ni Sondok!
And then ang mga bata, now excited na biglang, yes, gawin na lang din sila. Umulit na din sila. Don't worry.
With honors. Research title affects the various concentrations of bio-based toluol in the production of polyurethane foam derived from corn husk. Best Innovation Awardee.
Because you're the captain of your destiny. Yeah? Cute kayo kami nga ba? Kabilang natin na dundan. But kung ikaw na, tubaan ka. Don't worry. We will fail. We will succeed. Ini sa atong Dr. Ledon. Ito siya.